Welcome to the stream recap from Monday, March 6, 2023. If you didn't know, I trade live every single trading day at 6:30 Pacific Standard Time or 9:30 Eastern Standard Time. Join us live at Sailboat Trader and please like and subscribe. Alrighty, so I'm just starting off the morning with a little short position here. We just saw us make a new higher high and then trade below that candle right there, that candle's previous low. So just a quick scalp to start off the morning, since I saw us make a new high of day and then break below the previous candle's low, indicating a nice little engulfing candle there. So I just wanted to do a quick scalp to start off the morning there. All right. I just got one at 4,064, so I'm long one on the ES there. Reason for entry, I'm looking at the dollar making new lows, indicating we should see a higher push in the US 500. Just putting a stop loss in at break even here now that we're a little bit above a point above profit. Oh, well, instantly stopped out there. All right. A little bit tight, maybe. Maybe I should have done 2 points. Maybe I should have done the stop loss at 2 points. As a matter of fact, I'm going to hit one short right now just because I think we might see a little small pullback from there. It is a key resistance spot on the NASDAQ, so I'm just going to do a small counter trend trade here. If it doesn't go in the right direction, wouldn't be too surprised I'd take a small loss there, but that is a key resistance zone on the NASDAQ, so I just want to see if we get a little bit of a rejection. Doesn't appear to be rejecting on the NASDAQ there. Probably gonna have to just stop myself out of this one. Yeah, so I stopped myself out of that one once I saw a break above the high of that candle. I'm actually going to be flipping long, because now I'm seeing this kind of bull flag presentation. So I'm 2 there. All right, so just getting filled there at new high days. It's interesting to see how the US 500 is, it's still continuing to push, but we were seeing that lag compared to the NASDAQ. So just getting out there at new high day. All right, so I decided to get short one ES contract at 81. The reason behind that is because we just filled a daily gap. All right, so we've seen SPY get up to 407.35. We filled that daily gap level at 407.28. I got short on the ES at 4,081. You can see that here. That was that daily gap fill level. I then was up like maybe a point and a quarter in profit, put the stop loss break even in, got stopped out break even. It's happened twice today. All right, so I'm going to try a little long there at 75. So it's kind of what I was talking about. So I just want to see that bounce now. If we see a continued sell-off, I'd just stop out. All right, so I get stopped out there for another break-even trade. once I saw 2 points in profit, stop loss break even. All right, so I just got filled there. Kind of surprising to see a push all the way up to 4,000 and almost 80, and then a pullback to 77. So I am long one now on the ES. All right, so I stopped out for another break-even trade. We saw a pullback, just kind of not even making new lows. Probably should have at least played the new lows. I'm trying to think in hindsight, like what can I do going forward to improve on this stop loss, consistently getting tripped. And I'm thinking about like, 2 points in profit, but stop loss to break even. I don't know. Because it's still not enough. It clearly is showing signs that it might not be enough. I think I just have to implement more wiggle room, but alright. So I'm thinking about trying a long here at 79. So I'm looking at the spike here, comparing it to the dollar, and there was a little bit of a divergence setting up there. So I missed that. And I got one. Alright. So we got that wick test coming in. Now we want to see the bounce. Alright, so I took the exit there mainly because it was the fair value gap getting filled. So we can see this fair value gap that was right there. So the bottom of that wick, which was 4,070.8. I'm sorry, 4,074.3. And then the high of this wick right now is 4,074.6 as of right now. So, all right, short one there at 79. Basically what I'm looking at here is after this continued option, we've seen this new candle form, break below the previous lows. We're also seeing a push on the dollar. So out there after that fair value gap got filled. So just a quick scalp once we saw it kind of break below that low there. Alright, so I'm long at 71 here. I was kind of the very bottom of that fair value gap. Just looking for a quick scalp. So stopped out on a break-even one there. I wanted to keep that one extra tight, kind of like earlier, just because this dollar looks like it kind of wants to push somewhere. But we were filling those final fair value gaps there, down to the 1 minute chart. So it's kind of where I was wanting to long. All right, so I'm long one there at 4,065. Alright, so I ended up exiting the trade there. We were seeing how we had that pullback all the way down to around this fair value gap. went long there, got a few points profit out of it. Okay, so I decided to get short one ES contract here. What I'm seeing is a divergence. The US dollar continues to kind of push higher there. Alright, so out of there for a quick scalp. Alright, so I'm long here one at 4,049. Okay, I'm out there at 51, so just a quick 2-point scalp there. In a summary, up a little over $600 on the day. I'm going to be here tomorrow morning at 6:30 Pacific Standard Time. Hope to see you all there. If you wouldn't mind just liking and subscribing, I'd really appreciate it. And then if you're curious what I'm trading with on the left-hand side over here, this is Apex Trader Funding. You basically just, they're a prop firm and you prove to them if you're a profitable trader, and then they'll put up the margin and then you get to keep all the profits up to your first 25,000 in withdrawals, and then 90% after that. There is an 80% off sale going on. If you're curious, it does end tonight. You don't have to sign up by any means, but if you are curious, that is available. Tomorrow, I think I could still get you like 50% off, but the 80% off does end, I think, the end of tonight. And then this is TradingView. So this is what I use all for my analysis and everything like that. If you're curious what it is, link down below. But I hope you all subscribe, and I hope you all come to the next stream tomorrow morning at 6:30. And I hope you all have a profitable day. I'll see you tomorrow.